Often people are worried about having to appear in court or having to go multiple times before a judge and are somewhat uncomfortable with regard to that. If the case goes smoothly, and 98 to 99% of cases proceed without going to trial and people entering into a property settlement agreement, you then proceed with only one court appearance, and that would be called an uncontested divorce proceeding. It's a proceeding that lasts for 15, 20 minutes in a non-adversarial context where the lawyer or the judge would ask questions such as whether or not you believe the agreement is fair and equitable, whether it's been entered into voluntarily. The court at no time will address the merits of the case, will not comment on whether it's fair or not, will not review the terms of your agreement, and they basically rubber stamp through an uncontested proceeding what has been accomplished with the negotiations with the attorneys and with the parties, with the forensic accountants, etc. So a court just goes through the steps to make sure things were done in a involuntary way, a way that is not subject to coercion or duress, and to make sure that the parties understood their rights and understood that by entering into the property settlement agreement and continuing with an uncontested divorce, they've waived their right to a trial and that they understand they're going to be bound by the terms and conditions of that agreement. So I don't want people to worry about that uncontested proceeding. It's non-adversarial. It's often in a casual nature, and there's no argument being made by any of the attorneys or the judge. They're merely just going through an administrative procedure to finalize your divorce at the uncontested proceeding.